In this video, we're going to show you to install the intake variable valve timing solenoid on your Hyundai Elantra located on the front of your engine. Now with the hood open, we want to go ahead and remove our engine cover here. You're going to gently grab the corners. Lift up. When you pull this up, you have these sockets right here, the rubber sockets that you're pulling off of the metal studs. Go ahead and set that aside. Now with the hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate your alternator right here on the passenger side front of the engine. Right above the alternator is going to be the intake VVT solenoid. So on the lower left of it, there's going to be a 10mm bolt right down there. But let's go ahead and start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You're going to lift up on this little tab on the top. Grab that connector and slide this off. I'm going to use an extension in my 10mm socket. Now we are going to be reusing that bolt, so you do want to capture that. Don't drop it down behind the alternator. Once you have that bolt out, go ahead and grab the solenoid itself. Sometimes it'll pop right out, and other times it won't. Now you may be able to use like a 90-degree pick and go in behind the tab and pull it. Sometimes if you have a pair of hose pliers, you can go ahead and grab the solenoid, twist and pull. Now the solenoids may drip a tiny bit of oil on it, and that's typical. I'm going to reach in here and I'm just going to wipe off the surface where the solenoid sits. We want to make sure that we have a nice clean surface for that to sit into. Now we'll go ahead and take the new solenoid. There is an O-ring right here. If you want to, you can put a thin coat of engine oil on that, and then we can go ahead and slide this into place. Now as you're pushing this in, you want to make sure that the tab down below lines up with that bolt hole. Make sure that that snaps in, it's fully seated. Now we can simply take the bolt that we removed. I'm going to put that bolt into my socket, my extension. I'm going to feed that in, get that lined up, and get that started. Once you have that started, we're going to go ahead and snug that down. I'm just going to use my ratchet here. We want to make sure that that bolt is just snug. We'll go ahead and grab our harness. Go ahead and line that up. Insert that into the new unit. Push it on. So you should hear and feel the tab lock into place. And at this point here, we can go ahead and install our engine cover. If you have a check engine light on inside the vehicle, you want to go ahead and clear that code. Install the engine cover, placing the ball studs in each of the rubber grommets. Normally you can locate the two rubber grommets on the front with your hands. Lower it down. Once you line them up, press them down, and then the two back ones will automatically line up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.